Hey everybody, Ken here. Today's sales nugget is we want to talk about the value proposition that Ledtronics brings to the table. Lighting sales is obviously a consultative process, and as part of that process, we need you to be able to differentiate Ledtronics from the competition. It also involves, showing value and why we're worth more than they are, because we all know when we compete price for price, we come out a little bit on top, or a little bit higher. So what we want to do is we would like for you to be able to set yourself apart from the other lighting salespeople who are out there, and you're supposed to be an expert. In order to be an expert, you can also be connected with decades of experience here at Ledtronics, which is cool. So what is this value proposition that we're talking about? We're talking about the fact that Ledtronics is a premium LED brand. What I say generally is that there's only a handful of manufacturers in China that are building 99% of the lighting in the United States and beyond. And the difference for a customer is going to be the quality control and the customer service. That's the only thing that's going to set our company apart from any other company. What I want you guys to communicate when you're out there is the fact that we have superior quality control over the rest of our competition. We have quality control checks on that shore. We bring everything into Torrance, California, and we re-quality check things here before it gets shipped out. We were not going to drop ship anything to somebody so that we don't have control over that end user or the end product. So we are a premium LED brand, not only because of that, but because of customer service. When you call us, you get us. And because of you guys. You're out there all the time. You are available all the time. And it's not, well, we can't get to you because we're in California and you live in North Carolina. That's not the case. We'll put you in touch with our sales rep, and our sales rep will take care of that. Premium LED. The second thing is that we are the most complete product line in the nation. We have about 90% of our product catalog can be made in the USA, and that's important. If it's not necessarily important at the moment, it's nice for, especially if you're speaking to a distributor, that distributor keeps that in the back of their mind, and they feel like, you know what, when I need made in USA, Ledtronics. And of course, like I said, the fact that we can do made in USA qualifies us for all of those state government and other projects that have a qualification that is made in USA. One of the things that is possible with our complete product line is the fact that we do custom options. And the reason our product line is so complete is because we have slowly but surely added to it as a result of adding new product based on a customer's suggestion, challenge, or recommendation. And we continue to do that. If you get a customer that needs a custom color, a custom base, or anything like that, let's have the conversation. We're willing to do whatever we want for the right opportunity, or whatever we can for the right opportunity. So the fact that we are a premium LED brand, that we have the most complete product line, and you know what, the fact that we are the most complete product line, a end user will not have to issue as many POs. They can issue one PO for a whole bunch of products. I can't tell you guys how many times I've walked through warehouses or manufacturing facilities with our outside people, and we have been looking up at all of the industrial warehouse lighting, and we have totally missed the fact that there are stack lights, there's marker lights, there's panel lights, there are indicator lamps on every piece of equipment in the place. And before we leave that facility, we want to make sure that we let them know that we can provide everything for them. The last value that we offer is the decades of experience. Lighting is subjective, obviously. The industry has provided the brightest light possible over the years, and that's not the best solution for everybody. The customer needs a partner to help them. They need a consultation. They need an expert. And we're here to help you guys. I want you to know the value proposition. I want you to have memorized it. If we ask you, what value does Ledtronics bring to the table, this should roll off of your tongue just like your name would. It's important, and we want you to know this sales nugget for the week. So thanks, and we'll see you next time.